The couple departed from St. Augustine, roughly 50 to 60 nautical miles north, aboard their sailboat, heading home, likely toward or south of the new Smyrna Beach area. They were sailing along the coast or using a route that involved the Atlantic Ocean near Ponce Inlet. No issues were reported during the initial part of the voyage. Weather conditions deteriorated rapidly, as forecasted by the National Weather Service. Heavy rain began. Winds increased, gusts 30 à 45 km/h, and seas became rough with dangerous wave action. The sailboat entered the challenging area near the Ponce Inlet, new Smyrna Beach Jetty, where strong currents and breaking waves are common even in better conditions. Visibility was poor due to rain and darkness. The sailboat struck the new Smyrna Beach Jetty. The impact caused significant damage, including to the mast and other structural elements. The vessel was partially pushed onto the shore, beached about 300 yards south of Jetty Park, but remained stable and did not take on water. The couple stayed aboard during the incident. The wife called 911. She reported the collision with the jetty, provided the approximate location, confirmed that the boat was not sinking, taking on water, but noted major damage, especially to the mast. She requested assistance. The call was handled by Volusia Sheriff's Office dispatch as a boat emergency. Dispatch assigned the call to nearby deputies from District 1, Coastal. As Escorting, Leven responded and traveled to the scene. Access was from the beach side, since the boat was partially on shore. At this time, the couple remained on the damaged sailboat in continuing heavy rain and rough conditions. Once Leven arrived on scene, located the partially beached sailboat, and made contact with both occupants.
Yeah, you see the one flashlight. It looks like they're looking around for something.
They're still in it?
There's somebody out there. That light's moving.
You guys need to get out of that boat. Alright, Castro, I'm gonna go out there, just hold what you got right here. Here.
See, I didn't see a truck with a camper. I had a guy at the gate that said that he heard there was a boat.
Though, right?
What's that? Yeah, from my understanding, yeah. Charlie 18 Central. 1 Charlie 10 just got one off the boat, bringing it back to shore. 1 Charlie 10 got one off the boat. He's headed back to shore. I'll advise on injury. 10-4. Yeah. Are you okay? Are you hurt at all, or you're just a little winded? Okay. If you want to go ahead and have a seat, I'll get the heat on for you, all right? Because I don't want you to freeze back here. And you said you're not injured?
No.
Okay.
I can't breathe.
Okay. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to just close this just so you're not getting soaked, all right? 1 Charlie, 18 Central. All right, 1 Charlie 10 got the mail off the boat as well. According to the wife, they were the only 2 on the boat. Both passengers are off. Those were the only 2 occupants on the boat. They're both off.
We're gonna have fire meet us right down the road.
Okay.
Say it again. We're gonna have fire come. Oh, check you guys out. Okay.
You want to get on the other side? Or I'm sure you don't want to be out here freezing. Your wife's in the back seat. And you have her purse. She's going to be ecstatic. I got the heat kicked on. It might take a second to get back there. He's got your purse, too. All right. I'm going to close this up, all right?